In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on fast charging on your Samsung device. Fast charging is a handy feature that allows you to charge your device at a much faster pace than regular charging. It can save you valuable time and ensure that your device is ready to go when you need it. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Battery and Device Care. Tap on it. After that, tap Battery. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap More Battery Settings. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Fast Charging. All you have to do next is toggle on this switch next to fast charging. Now you've successfully enabled fast charging on your Samsung device. One thing to keep in mind is that you need a fast charging supported device and a fast charger for this to work. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.